Hi everyone, welcome back, and today we've got a package from eBay. It's a pretty big one to unbox, but I believe inside it's only a 10-inch limit desk fan from around the 1960s. So without further ado, let's get it open. Okay guys, so we finally got the limit desk fan out. It was packaged insanely well in about 3 boxes there, as you can see. So here it is. I'm just going to get it out now. This might need 2 hands. Right, let me see if I can get this wrapped off. Oh, just look at that. Fan in all its glory. That is a proper fan. Those blades are gleaming, but I'm going to polish those up. It has a super long cable on it by the looks of things. 13 amp plug. So this is a Limit Verities fan made in London. I believe this is about 40 years old, but the information plate on the back should tell you thereabouts exactly when it's made there. You can see, so it's a 10-inch. That is made in 1968 and made under a 50s patent. So yeah, this is quite an old fan. Now we'll get it plugged in and hopefully power it up. That's actually really quiet. I mean, you can feel the air coming off, but barely any sound at all. You can tell the blades are slightly imbalanced, but I'm sure we can put that right. Now, interestingly, on these fans, you can see that setting 2 is slower than setting 1, and that is how it's supposed to go. Now, it does seem that this fan is slightly slower than it should be. I would have said that even on the lowest setting, it should be having slightly higher RPMs than it is at the moment, but we'll get some oil on the motor and give it a service in the next few days, and hopefully it'll be running like new again in no time. Now, this is obviously a non-oscillating fan. We'll put it back up to high though, for the sake of just running it for a bit. Probably not been used in quite a long time, so you've got to give it credit. And I don't think the blades are actually that imbalanced. I think it was just the motor fluctuating slightly. So yeah, that concludes today's video, guys. If you did enjoy, please be sure to check out my other fan videos, restorations and repairs, and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.